thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. This is Times Now Live and I'm Hina Gambhir. Let's get started with some big news that we are getting for you at this point in time, as chorus from the Congress party specifically has been growing for quite some time about banning the RSS. Now we have a reaction coming in from RSS top leader who has in fact reacted to this entire storm. And we are getting this reaction in fact from RSS General Secretary Dattatreya Hosable, who in fact has questioned the rationale behind Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's call to ban the organization, also saying that the Sangh is devoted to nation building and enjoys public support as well. He's also stated that there's no logical reason really behind the ban calls that are being made by the Congress netas. Listen into this reaction.
वो मुझे लगता है पहले के अनुभव से थोड़ा सीखना चाहिए. समाज किस दिशा में जा रहे हैं और पहले उन्होंने अभी बैन करना चाहिए ऐसे कहने वाले एक प्रमुख नेता पहले उन्होंने 3 बार प्रयत्न भी किए थे. उसको समाज ने क्या कहा, न्यायालय ने क्या कहा, क्या मिला उससे, और ये सब होने के बाद भी संघ का कार्य आगे बढ़ता गया. और बैन करना चाहिए ना, उसका कोई कारण हो जाए, मुझे इच्छा हो गई इसे बैन करना चाहिए, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. भारत के सुरक्षा के लिए, एकता के लिए, संस्कृति के लिए, विकास के लिए काम करने वाले एक संगठन, उसको बैन करने वाला चाहिए ऐसे कोई एक राजनेता कहते हैं तो उसका कारण बताना चाहिए. समाज ने तो संघ को स्वीकार किया है.
Let's now go across to my colleague Isha, who is joining us live right now for more on this story. Isha, the first reaction there coming in from RSS General Secretary, wherein the RSS has really questioned the rationale behind these constant calls being made to ban the RSS, and also trying to ask in a way that what will really be achieved by targeting the RSS, which is engaged in nation building.
Right, so the back and forth between the Rashtriya Sangh and the Congress party is not new. In fact, it dates back to when Jawaharlal Nehru was the leader of the Congress party. In fact, he had referred to it as a terrorist organization as well. And since then, the Congress has always had an issue with the RSS. However, the RSS is very closely attached to the BJP. In fact, BJP does prescribe to the ideology of the RSS, and now an RSS leader has come up and stated that there needs to be a rationale behind banning RSS. In fact, Mallikarjun Kharge, who is the Congress president, stated that he did state the Sardar Patel's letter and asked for a ban on the RSS. However, there are also cracks within the Congress party that we are seeing, Hina, because Karti Chidambaram, the son of senior Congress leader P. Chidambaram, stated that this is not exactly feasible, and to that Udit Raj had also hit out stating that this is of course feasible and he does not agree. So a lot of back and forth that took place within the Congress party as well. But as of now, the RSS hitting back, stating that just because on the whim of a leader, an organization which has been widely accepted, which has been a part of nation building, cannot be banned just because a leader is stating that it needs to be banned.
Right. Isha, request you to please stay on with us. In fact, it's not just the Congress party, viewers. Of late, we have seen leaders from other political parties as well in the INDIA bloc who in fact have been demanding a ban on the RSS. Listen into these reactions and then how the BJP reacted.
जिस संस्थाओं को वल्लभ भाई पटेल जी ने बैन किया था,
तो याद रखना चाहिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी को कि उनकी पेरेंटल पार्टी जहां से वो बीजेपी निकली है, उस संस्था को बैन किया था सरदार पटेल.
And the India Alliance relationship consists of Priyanka Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, and their cronies like Priyank Kharge, who between all of them have not read the history, don't have a grasp of history.
Let's now move on. We have some breaking inputs coming